Hey guys, how are you? This is Jed George coming to you with another video, and in this video what I want to do is talk to you about my 50 weekly plan, or the 50W plan. And right off the bat I want to say to you, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Benjamin Franklin. Okay? That statement, that quote is so true. When you don't plan, you're basically planning to fail, okay? So when it comes to making money online, starting a home-based business, what a lot of people do is they get really excited about a business opportunity that they see, and they sign up to that business. They pay the money to get started with that business, and the emotions are high. They're really excited, but once they get inside that business, they then get stuck because they didn't make a plan to succeed in that business. And what happens is they get stuck and they fail in that business. They don't make any leads, they don't get any leads, they don't get any signups, and they don't make any money. And as a result of that, they either quit or they move on to the next business opportunity, and they restart that same cycle. They see something that's really exciting, they get really emotional. Again, they pull out their credit card, they sign up to that business, and again, they get inside, and then all of a sudden, they say to themselves, now what? Now what? The emotions go away, and they don't know what to do. And then again, they just keep repeating that same cycle. And hopefully in this video, I'm going to be able to give you a plan that's going to help you get out of that cycle and give you something that you can work on with any business opportunity. Now, of course, I'm going to be talking to you about the business opportunity that you have with the Conversion Pros. If you are watching this video, it's because you're on my list, and I've emailed you a link to the video. You're watching it right now, and I want to talk to you about the plan that you can use with the Conversion Pros to succeed in this business, okay? Because this business system is very lucrative, and if you just simply follow a plan to get leads and signups, you can make a lot of money and succeed, and also then plug in any other business opportunity that comes along that you might be interested in later on down the track, not right now, okay? So let's talk about this plan, the 50 weekly plan. Let's talk about it. All right. So before I go into it, I just want to talk about 3 things you need when it comes to an online business. Number 1, you need a business system, a business opportunity, or a product that you're gonna be able to sell to people. And when they buy that product, you get paid commissions. That's what the business system is all about. Number 2, you need a marketing system. All right. You need a system that allows you to market your business system. Okay. Allows you to build your list. And there's a saying in the internet marketing world, which is simply, the money is in the list. Okay. The money is in the list. And just like you're on my list. You're on my subscriber list. I'm building my list to be able to, promote things and provide value and do what I need to do to make money. Okay. And as I build that list, I make money, and I can tell you right now, it's working. All right. I'm building my list, and I'm making sales. There are people signing up to my business opportunity, and I'm making money. And the more I build that list, the more money I'm going to make. And that's just a principle in the internet marketing world. Okay. So that's the second thing you need. You need the marketing system, which again, I just want to say, the marketing system is the tools that you use in your online business, okay? Just like any other traditional business, okay? If you were, say, a carpenter has tools to do his job. He has a hammer, he has drills, he has, measuring things, saws. He uses those tools in his business, right? In the same way, there's no difference with an online business. There's no difference with an online business. It's the same principle. You need tools to be able to market online, okay? Websites and capture pages and back office tools and things like that, okay? So that's what the marketing system is all about. And finally, the third thing you need is traffic. You need to have traffic. And when we talk about traffic, we're talking about people seeing your business opportunity, okay? Traffic is what drives the business. Traffic is how you generate leads and how you generate sales, all right? So, 3 things you need. TCP has everything. All right, it's an all-in-one business system and marketing system. All right, it has everything you need. You don't need to join any other business. Okay, it's a business opportunity in itself where you can make $25 per month from every person who signs up under you. And it is a marketing system. It gives you get all the tools you need. You get the lead capture pages, the sales pages, the autoresponder, the tiny URL generator, link rotator. It's got absolutely everything you need, all the tools you need to make money online. So it's a business opportunity and it's a marketing system. And let me give you a quick demonstration, right? You probably came to a capture page that looks like this, Embrace the Power of Free. There was a bit of a video there. You put your name and your email address and you hit the get started button, and then you would have come to this page. When you entered your email, your name and email here, you got placed on my list. All right, and so I'm able to email you daily and send you information. And that allows you to see what I have to offer you. So when you came to this page, you watched the video. David spoke to you about creating your free account. When you did that, you clicked here, this button here. It took you to this page, and you filled in your information and created your account. All right, and then you would have come to your back office that looks like this. This is the home page right here. All right, home page. Okay, so this is the back office of the Conversion Pros. And then I got notified that you got your free trial, right? I got notified in my back office here in my sales manager right here. And then what I did is I emailed you this video, this link to this particular page. See how you can make $10,000 per month. You would have watched this video. If you haven't done that yet, if you haven't watched this particular video, you need to find my email, click on the link, watch the video, because David talks to you about the numbers it takes to make $10,000 per month, and each month when you get people signed up with this business system. And I'm telling you, this business system is so easy. It is. People need this stuff. People need the tools that you have on offer with the Conversion Pros. And then what I've added here is another message that you can watch, that I talk about a bonus that I'm going to give you, working with you one-on-one. All right. So that's it. That's a demonstration of the stuff you get with the Conversion Pros. All right. And Conversion Pros even has the traffic as well, that we'll talk about in a moment. But they're the three things you need. I need to set that foundation for you to talk about the actual plan. Now let's talk about the plan, right? The 50 per week plan. All right. Basically, it's a 4 weekly cycle, okay? Because there's 4 weeks in a month, all right? All you need is $50 per month, all right? That's all, sorry, per week. All you need is $50 per week to make this plan work, all right? That's it. Anybody can afford $50 a week, all right? Anybody can. And I don't know about you, but it really annoys me when there's people who sign up, who are looking to make money online, but are not prepared to pay for the tools they need to grow that business. All right, this is a business. This is not a mystical make money online. Just click these buttons and money's going to magically appear in your bank account. People have to pull out their credit cards and buy things for you to make money. All right, if you're not prepared to do that, then you're not going to make money. All right, you have to pay for the subscription. All right, but the $50 a week is not for the Conversion Pros. $50 per month pays for the Conversion Pros. The other $50 we're going to talk about the plan. All right, sorry, I had to get that off my chest. All right, so the 50. All you need is $50 per week, and let's split it up into 4 weekly cycles. All right, a weekly cycle. All right, so week 1, the first thing you need to do is pay for your TCP membership. Bang. That's paid, it's done, you're covered for a whole month or 4 weeks. All right? Week 2, the same day. You can pick a day, any day of the week that you do this. All right? But make sure you do it every week. Buy some traffic. All right? Now, there are ways to market your business online for free methods. It can work, but it takes time. If you buy traffic, it happens so much faster. You get leads much more faster, and you get sign-ups much more faster, okay? So you buy traffic. I'll show you where that's going to be in a minute. Week 2, you buy traffic again, same day. Sorry, week 3, my apologies. Week 3, you buy traffic again, all right? Get leads, $50. That's all you need to spend, $50. You're going to get leads. You're going to get signups. All right, we're going somewhere with this. Week 4, exactly the same thing. Pay you $50, buy some traffic, and you're going to get leads and you're going to get signups. And all you do is repeat and repeat and repeat, and you keep repeating this week after week after week, month after month. All right? You're going to be building your list. You're going to be getting signups, and people are going to upgrade, and then you're going to start making money. All right? Now, the traffic sources. I use 3 different traffic sources. MLM leads, which is this one here. I'm going to leave a link in the description to this site, and you just buy the 40 clicks. All right, $47. You buy one package, and you give them your link. You give them your link to this page here. That's all you got to do, and then they'll go out and generate the traffic for you. Udemy Solo Ads, slightly different, but look, you can buy 35 cents for 100 clicks. 40 cents for 100 clicks, 35 cents. So all you need to do is spend $50. So let's just pick this one for example. You put I want 100 visitors or 125 visitors and $53. Done. All right, $53, or if you want $100, $43. It's up to you. Don't go less than 100. All right, but $43. That's that's another traffic source I use. And finally, I also use the Conversion Pros here. You can order your leads here in your back office. You click on, you scroll down, and you select your personal campaign or TCP, and you pick whatever, mail only. $49, 50 leads, 50 people. You get their names, their emails, their phone numbers, and you can give them a call. All right, that's if you want to, take the time to call your leads. You don't have to. If you're not going to call your leads, then don't use this traffic system. Right? Just cycle between MLM leads and Udemy Solos, and you can do a different one each week. It's up to you, entirely up to you. All right. If you want to stick to the MLM leads every week, just do that. If you want to do Udemy Solo Ads every week, just do that. It's entirely up to you. But the point is, be consistent and just follow the plan week after week after week. What's going to be the result? Leads are going to flow in weekly. Sign-ups are going to flow in weekly. Upgrades are going to flow up weekly. And then you'll come to a point when you're no longer going to be spending your own money. The $50 per week that you've been putting in out of your own pocket, you're not going to have to do that anymore, because as people upgrade, you're going to be making money. And the money you're going to be making, you're going to be using that to then pay for your traffic. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay? Do you understand this? That's all you've got to do. And you'll be making money. And then what happens is then you begin to scale up. So what I mean by that is $50 per week now becomes $100 per week, and you're basically getting more leads and more sales. And then $100 per week becomes $150 per week, and $150 per week becomes $200 per week, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's the plan. And if you stick to this plan, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna work. It's gonna be successful. All right, and then you're gonna come to a point where you take 50% of what you earn, you're gonna put that back in your pocket, and the other 50% you're going to reinvest into buying more traffic. All right, and that's how you scale up. So that, my friend, is the 50 per week plan. And if you simply follow the plan, this will work for any business at all, any business opportunity. If you just keep getting leads flowing into the business opportunity, using your marketing system, using TCP, you are going to make sales. You're going to make money. All right. So I hope this video has helped you and gave you a bit of an idea or a plan to follow so you can succeed. Some of you are looking at the Conversion Pros, you're excited, but you're signed up, but you don't know what to do. You've got your 7-day trial, but you don't know what to do. This is what you need to do. Week 1, upgrade. Week 2, buy traffic. Week 3, buy traffic. Week 4, buy traffic. That's the plan. And just do that. That's all you've got to do. And if you do that, I'm telling you now, you're going to start making money. You're going to get the money you invested back in your pocket, because you're going to be making sales, and then you're going to be able to scale up and make some money. All right. So thanks again for watching this video. This is the 50 week per week plan. I'm going to be talking about this plan over and over and over and over again. I'm going to fine tune it. This is the first time I've done this video, but going forward, I'm going to fine tune this video to make it shorter and as much as possible make it understandable. All right. My name is Jed George. The link to everything that I've talked about is going to be below this video. and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.